Welcome to my Best House Idea channel. Here we will share ideas for designing your home, renovation tips and inspiration for a lifestyle that suits your needs. Decorating a small house can take a little ingenuity, and that's exactly what we try to simplify in this video. I selected a series of space-saving Ikea furniture and divided them into different areas of the house. Let's start with the living area and, in particular, the tables. I present to you the Norden table, which has two folding tops. Closed it measures 26 by 80 centimeters, but opens on both sides up to 152 centimeters. On the short side, it has three convenient drawers for cutlery and tissues. If you need a larger table, you might be interested in a call which measures 37 by 98 centimeters when closed and 145 by 98 centimeters when open. It also has storage space for chairs and other items underneath it, although the fabric design may not be to everyone's taste, but it is certainly functional. Another option is the Norberg folding table, to be mounted on the wall, with a width of 74 centimeters and a depth of 60 centimeters. It is also suitable as a small workstation and can be combined with storage elements. For the kitchen in a small house, it is essential to optimize the space, especially inside the cabinets. The dividers of the Verriera series, available in 4 variants, are useful for dividing the space inside the wall units into multiple shelves, making the most of the space both above and below the shelf. Another object to optimize space is Veskin, a narrow trolley on wheels, perfect for the kitchen, bathroom or laundry room. It measures just 18 centimeters wide and is equipped with 3 useful shelves for jars, containers or detergents. It is currently available in black and white for just €10. For the living area, you could consider the space-saving Trollstorp coffee table, which measures 70 by 115 centimeters. Its upper half raises to become a support surface when you are sitting on the sofa, reaching a height of 55 centimeters compared to 41 centimeters when closed. In addition, it also doubles as a container for books, remote controls and board games, helping to keep your table clean and your home tidy. If you have a PC station at home, the 11-monitor stand is a great choice. It allows you to place the screen at a better height, offers space for office accessories such as notes, and has a hidden keyboard at the bottom, keeping your desk tidy. Continuing with our selection of space-saving IKEA furniture, there is Fredbag, designed to be placed under the bed, acting as a bedside table and extra storage, ideal for small homes. Since it is on wheels, it can be easily moved to free up space when needed. It is square, measures 59 by 56 centimeters and is 18 centimeters tall, including the wheels. The Malm chest of drawers, with a depth of 48 centimeters, can also be considered to optimize space inside a standard-sized wardrobe. It is available in different versions to adapt to your organization needs. For the entrance, a small corridor or to be placed behind a door, the stall shoe rack is a perfect space-saving solution. At only 17 centimeters deep, it is as thin as possible. It is 96 centimeters wide and 90 centimeters high, and can also be used as a shelf for items to empty your pockets. It has 4 compartments with minimal handles and is available in 3 finishes, white, gray and wood effect. If you already have a shoe rack with horizontal shelves, don't underestimate the usefulness of the small Mervel accessory. It costs only €1 and allows you to stack shoes on top of each other to maximize space. For an organized entrance, consider Ikea Alex, a shelf with drawers 119 cm long and 29 cm deep, also useful as a shelf for small objects. It can be fixed to the wall with the appropriate shelf brackets. In the bathroom, another room that requires good organization in a small house. Here are some space-saving furniture I selected. From the same series as the trolley seen previously, there is the Veskin corner shelf with 3 shelves, ideal for a free corner of the bathroom. For organizing drawers, the Godmorgan clear plastic container might be the right choice. With several compartments, it will help you keep makeup, creams and more in order. Check if its dimensions fit your drawers. Finally, for the bathroom and beyond, you will find the Dragon sets in bamboo, which are boxes with lids that are also containers, allowing you to also take advantage of the upper space. Which of these pieces of furniture do you consider essential for a small home? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video, and if you liked it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. Turn on notifications to always be updated. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly.